Hey guys, welcome to BitBoy Crypto. My name is Ben. We're just going to take a couple minutes on this video today because we are in the process of transitioning from CoinTracker to another platform for tracking all this because we've got this crazy mistake here that shows that we lost money. We have not lost money. We're actually up. As of today, we're up about $3,600. And we are going to be making a couple changes to the portfolio today. So that's really what I wanted to cover. We are still up in the portfolio. Of course, Bitcoin has been moving. We don't have exposure to Bitcoin in this portfolio. Down the road, we might decide to do that. Just a quick look at all of our different wallets and where they are. 25K portfolio is up about $2,000. Our $10,000 portfolio doing really well, up $1,200. We have our KuCoin portfolio is up $500, and our 1K portfolio is actually still about even. So what I want to do here is I want to go through and I want to look at the best performing coins of this last week in our portfolio. So we're going to go over here and we're going to click on performance and we're going to look at all of our assets and we're going to look at how everything has been doing over time. You guys can see right here by our gains, we have Singularity is up. Wow, Singularity is up so much. Wow, that is really incredible. We're up $561 on this purchase. We basically doubled our money here with this. And we have more than doubled our money, as you guys can see here. I mean, not doubled our money. We went up 50% on this one. We've doubled our money up on Conflux. So what I want to do right now, wow, look at this. These are two of our biggest gainers, period. And we just bought them. That is absolutely amazing. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to our wallets and find out where we have these stored. I think we got them in the 25K. Is that right? That's right. In the 25K, we have Conflux and we have AGIX. I think that's the only one we have it in. Let's find out. Come to the 10K here. No, we have two down here. We're going to keep that the same though. So what we're going to do is actually in our 25K portfolio, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be selling off $300 of AGIX and let's sell off $300 of CFX. So we're going to take $600 total and we're going to actually be putting it in Arbitrum. Now, here's the thing. Arbitrum just launched and it just dumped extremely hard. You guys can see since the launch, it's down 88.42%. Now, it could certainly go down further than that, certainly. But almost everybody who has the airdrop now, or who will receive the airdrop, has claimed it. I think it's like 78% of people have done that. So what that means is that there's not that much more to dump if people are going to dump when they launch it. So Arbitrum is in the vein of Polygon and in the vein of Optimism, two coins we really like and have done really well for our portfolio. So we're going to end up buying $600 worth of Arbitrum at $1.37. This may end up being possibly our best coin pick right now. This may end up being the best because it's down so much and it's got so much potential and has so much hype behind it. So that's what we're going to be doing. We are going to be adding that to our $25,000 portfolio. Unfortunately for these other ones, we just don't really have a lot we can do much with at this point. We could take some profits from our AGIX, but $300 is kind of the minimum for what we're wanting to put on this account right now. $500 is the minimum now for our 25K portfolio. And the 1K we can't do much with, and none of the ISO coins have really been moving that much lately. XRP certainly has moved, but I mean, I'm not really happy where our holdings are for XRP right now. So I'm good holding this right now where it is. So there we go. We're up $3,500 in the portfolio overall. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.